Y'all, it's real life snowing, dude. I'm driving home and it's like literally snowing outside. Okay, I'm literally outside in the snow. This is insane. This is crazy. It's real life snowing, dude. I'm driving home and it's like literally snowing outside. I can't show y'all, but dude, and I don't have nothing to prop my phone up with. Like, it's snowing. That is crazy. I'm shook, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna rain. I mean, snow. I didn't really believe it, but it's like, it's really snowing. That is crazy. I've never seen snow before. It has never snowed down here. Ever. In the 19 years that I've been living down here, it has never snowed before down here. That is crazy. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home, but I'm just shook. I need to focus on the road. Okay, I'm literally outside in the snow. This is insane. This is crazy. This is the car covered in snow. This is crazy. It's literally snowing. Bro, that is insane. I'm outside. I can't really show y'all much. Keep my privacy. That's crazy. My mama in the house. Wow. I'm shook, for real. I'm about to go back in the house because it's cold. Wow. This is amazing. No cap, it's cold. I'm about to go back in the house. Whew. Lord. It's cold, baby. Good gracious. Whew. Lordy, have mercy. My phone here. I'm just shook. I'm going back in the house. I'm cold and I don't want to be sick. It's real life snowing. Ain't no good lighting, but yeah. This is, I don't want to be sick. I'm not used to this type of weather. This is crazy, dude. Wow. This year has a weird start to it. But yeah. Insane. Wow. It's cold. Goodness gracious. I'm literally outside taking a heater to the trash can. Bruh. People driving, man, y'all crazy. Don't be going nowhere in no snow, especially when we don't get snow down here. Not a snow hard. It's cold. I'm about to go back inside. I don't want to be sick.